Chef David Rose here, Omaha Steaks Executive Chef.
First, we start out with our extremely tender Omaha Steaks 3-pound Chateaubriand. Leave the Chateaubriand on the counter for about 30 to 45 minutes to bring to room temperature and pat dry with paper towels. Season the Chateaubriand on all sides aggressively with your favorite Omaha Steaks signature seasoning. Place immersion cooker and water in a pot big enough to hold Chateaubriand. Set cooking temperature 10 degrees below desired cooking doneness. Set timer for 3 hours. Place Chateaubriand in a Ziploc bag, removing all air. Seal bag tight, place in water bath, and hang on the side of the pot. After 3 hours in the water bath, remove Chateaubriand from bag. Add grapeseed oil to a hot cast iron pan and get a nice hard sear on all sides of the Chateaubriand. Once nice and browned, remove from pan and allow to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Once Chateaubriands are rested, we slice. Finish with Maldon sea salt or a finishing salt for an additional flavor bomb. Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.